In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal to Facebook Payout. This process is essential for anyone who wants to ensure smooth financial transactions through Facebook, whether you're running ads, managing a business page, or simply receiving payments. Linking PayPal to Facebook Payout ensures that funds can move seamlessly and securely into your PayPal account. So, let's dive in and walk you through each step in detail. Firstly, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. This is important because you'll need to grant permissions and ensure that your PayPal account is set up properly to receive payments. If you're not already set up with a confirmed and verified PayPal account, take a moment to do so. It's worth ensuring all your information is up to date since this can speed up the process when linking accounts. Next, navigate to your Facebook account where you want to receive payouts, and head over to the Billing section. Once you're there, look for the Payment Methods or Payouts option. Different Facebook interfaces might have slightly varying terminologies, but you're generally looking for something that handles monetary transactions. Here comes the crucial part: adding PayPal as a payout account. Look for an option that says Add Payment Method or something similar. Facebook often provides multiple options to link payment methods, but you want to specifically select PayPal. Clicking on that will prompt a pop-up or a new page to open where you can enter your PayPal details. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your accounts. Check back with PayPal to ensure permissions and connections are granted properly. This step involves you verifying and authorizing through a series of clicks, so keep an eye out for any boxes that might need ticking. You may need to log in again to your PayPal account during this process, especially to confirm the linkage and synchronization between the two platforms. Once the connection has been approved, return to your Facebook Payout section and double-check to ensure that PayPal appears as an active and confirmed payment method. It's wise to do a test transaction if possible, to ensure that everything flows correctly from Facebook to PayPal. Remember that these settings and permissions may need to be updated if you change your PayPal details, so keep them current to avoid any interruptions in service. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your PayPal account to Facebook Payouts. This seamless connection means you can focus more on other aspects of your Facebook activities without worrying about the logistics of payment. If you run into trouble or have further questions, it's always a good idea to check Facebook's Help Center or reach out to PayPal support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.